This video chart presentation is XOMA Corporation, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. XOMA is a NASDAQ global market stock, trading our ticker XOMA. It's one of our bullish investor technical stocks to watch this week. See, it had a real nice move on Wednesday, up almost 8%, 1.6 million shares traded. Volume has definitely picked up these last two trading days. The stock's coming off a nice support level, historically holding this area, and once again putting together a very nice bounce. Now you can see we've got the MACD making an upward move. Looks like another bullish cross is coming. Keeping an eye peeled for it just to break through that trend line. And of course, the most bullish of moves will be if it breaks back through zero. It's a classic case of a PPO ADX pinch. It's about everything that we look for. ADX up pretty high. PPO at historic lows. Coming off the pinch. Trend back towards zero. Looks like a bullish cross is coming with the PPO. Positive and negative DIs are reversing position. All classic signs of a bounce to come off the bottom. Of course, with the upward pressure, MFIs are now at a key point, trying to push through 50. The most bullish of situations, MFIs are trending on the upper half of the indicator, indicating that people are paying higher prices for the stock. Accumulation distribution shows that a sharp sell-off happened just a couple weeks ago. Rebound with the buying pressure over the last couple days. It's all reflected in shaken money flow as well, which is based upon the accumulation distribution. Sell-off took it down into the red. Tells me over the last 20 periods, selling pressure has been outweighing buying pressure. But again, the sharp buying pressure has shaken money flow starting to move back towards zero. For bottom feeders that use the CCI, buy point would have been right there on the break of negative 100. It'd be a hold unless it breaks back down through negative 100. Full stow just now making a rotation, trying to come out of oversold, indicating that a little bit of bullish momentum is trying to build in the play. And the tricks, it's a lagging indicator, it's a gauge of trend. I'd be looking for a rotation now, a bullish cross to be dropped. If this try to put together an upward channel, and much like the MACD, the break of zero is the key point of bullishness. Just a real sharp move in the RSIs, but volume has picked up, buying pressures come in. Of course, that takes RSI, which is a gauge of momentum, and sends it shooting straight upward. Now again, as with other indicators, I'll want to see all three components, especially these red and gold lines, the 14 and 21 RSIs, break through and hold above 50 to show that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. Now what makes this particularly interesting is there's a bottom support right there around 222. You can see all through that area, it's been a support point. No different when this came down, hit 237. Some people would consider this two-day candle pattern a bullish engulfing. To meet the true definition of it, this white candle here would have had to engulf the whole body of the previous day's candle. But in general, it's just a sign of some bullishness came in. A little bit of indecision is shown in this red doji. A little bit of bullishness came back in on Monday. And then on Wednesday, first trading day of the new year, of course, the markets had a huge move in general. The Dow was up about 300 points, and XOMA certainly took on some bullishness right along with that. Now, what I'd be looking for from a resistance point is a little bit right through here. I'd call it a secondary resistance point right where it is. It's going to run up around 270. It's going to meet that 50-day moving average right through there. But I wouldn't see primary resistance coming in until up near $3. Again, historically, that was a resistance point. Served as a support point back in August. And even when it dove off from up near $4 to all the way down below $3, and it made a nice bounce, came near the 50-day moving average, couldn't push through it, and that of course coincided with that classic technical analysis idea of support becoming resistance. So I'd say that's going to be a key area if this rebound continues. And even if this does continue to push upward and bumps its head on that, can't make it through it, I just look for it to pull back, find a new support level, make the higher low, and then try and continue the upward trend and perhaps take another shot at that resistance point. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the XOMA chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.